So I just woke up like maybe 5 minutes ago. My plane takes off in 20 minutes. I'm running a little bit behind. I overslept a little bit. I mean, it is 4 a.m. so I'm kind of tired. Oh my god, I like dropped my camera as I was handing my keys over to valet. I don't even know if this microphone jack's working anymore. Alright. I think the doors are closing in like 10 minutes and I'm in Terminal A. I need to get over to Terminal C. I'm going as fast as I can. And I think the trains aren't working. Oh no. I made it. Oh, I made it.
136 non-stop to Denver. We're happy you're flying with us today. As you find your seats, please place your larger bags in the overhead bin. Wheels in first. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, have a good day.
You too. It's cold. Welcome. Good morning. You're probably wondering why I'm here in Denver so early, and it's because I have a connecting flight from Denver to Vail this morning. I have a quick 1 hour layover, and I board in about 30 minutes or so. However, I started looking at transportation from the airport to the hotel, and I'm kind of winging this, and it's not looking good. I looked up on Lyft, and the cheapest option right now is $244. So I don't know if I'm going to be making it from the airport to my hotel. It's about a 30-minute drive without having to pay a lot of money. I got about an hour to figure this out. Take it easy, man. Oh my god, I made it. I'm finally here. Look at this room. I gotta see what this looks like. Quick recap of everything that happened, because I could not film all of that. Things were happening pretty quick. So one, I boarded the plane, passed out immediately. I woke up an hour later. We were still on the tarmac. We were delayed. We were already supposed to have landed. I don't know why. Anyways, we immediately took off. 25 minutes later, we landed landed here at the Eagle County Airport. I was not ready for it. I guess I didn't realize how short of a runway it is. So when we came in to like land, it was like super hard and aggressive stop. Thought we were about to skid off the runway, because if you can't tell, they got 17 inches of snow last night, which is unbelievable. It makes me so sad. I wish I was skiing. But then, as I was getting off the plane, I got on Lyft, and I saw that I could order my Lyft for like $60. I was like, I can't wait to like pull my phone out and record it and talk about it. So I was like, immediately buy. Anyways, I'm I'm just happy to be here. I need some snowshoes, because these are not gonna do it. I gotta change real fast. Oh, gross. My bag got super dirty. I got my snow boots on. Now it's time to go find lunch. All right, so it's coming down way harder than I was anticipating. I'm gonna have to go buy some gear if I'm gonna stand in this concert in the snow all night. Let's go shopping.
We could kiss so high.
Good, how are you?
Just piercing through the sky. It's alright. I'm pretty cute.
Having to go and check out another store because all they had was really ski jackets, and even though I do need a new ski jacket, I'm not gonna get one. So let's go see if North Face or Burton has something.
You know me. Don't get caught in that drama.
Why does the extra small fit me?
We are each other. You're not the body. You're everything and everybody that you ever.
Alright, I don't think I explained why I'm here yet. Back in October, I booked some tickets for a concert to John Summit here in Vail because I saw a video on Instagram and they were basically, he was basically DJing at the top of the mountain. I want to be a part of that. And so I booked the tickets, not really thinking much about it. Long and short of it is, I kept the tickets, I booked my flight, I booked this hotel, everything with points. So all this was basically free. I only paid like $100 for the ticket. We finally get here, and I had to start planning for it. I didn't really think about it. I was like, you know what, I'll fly in and fly out, but I'll get one day of skiing in. Well, let me tell you, I'm not gonna ski this weekend because my Epic Pass, I didn't know this was a holiday weekend. It's President's Day, but also like Valentine's. So the Epic Pass I purchased, it's blacked out on this day. So it would have cost me like $250 to ski for like 3 hours, and I just don't think that's worth it. So and I actually just heard they're doing a pop-up show at the bottom right now. So I'm gonna put on my new jacket and we're gonna go over there and check it out. Let's go see if we can get concierge to take us over to the other side of the mountain and find this après ski. Thank you so much.
Here.
You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right.
Alright, so that was the après ski like set. Pretty cool. A little upset. I should have showed up a little earlier because they sold out a wristband, so I had to like kind of sit outside, but it was still cool. Good vibes. Now I'm gonna head to the actual concert venue. I just ran into some guys from Chicago. I was talking to them. They came last night and they were like, we highly recommend you go early to get in because the line gets super long and you'll just be waiting outside to get in. So I'm going. I think I'm going in the right direction. There's no one else going this way, which is kind of weird, but my map says it's this way. So I'm either first or I'm going the wrong way. We're gonna find out. I hear music. It's coming from this way, so I'm hoping I'm going the right direction.
Just one of these days, you're gonna get paid. Better watch your back. It's gonna get personal. I don't.
Alright, I found some people. We're going in the right direction.
You know I don't play. You know I don't. I'll put good fight. It's gonna get.
Alright, so I just had breakfast and very good. Had the eggs Benedict. solid. I didn't record a lot last night because one, it was cold and my fingers were getting a little numb, so I was kind of just sticking to my jacket. But concert was super cool. It was snowing super hard. Really enjoyed it. That got done. I came straight back here and I ordered room service, and you can see right there, phenomenal. Passed out, had a great time, but I think I need to leave soon because I just got a text from United that said their systems are down at the airport, so expect long wait times, and I boarded an hour and a half, and Google Maps says it's gonna take an hour and 20 minutes to get there, so I need to pack and get going like immediately. No. No? It was pretty busy trip, but I might miss my flight.
Why?
The road to the airport, I think, is like snowed in, and
you're just making me nervous for no reason.
Quick lap, make sure there's nothing. I want to take the water, but I can't. Okay, I'm gonna take one water. Nothing. That was my room service last night. We are good. All right, time to go get our Uber. Saeed is 3 minutes away. Going. That's all you have? Yeah, just this one bag. Thank you so much for the ride.
You take care.
Hello.
All right, Cody, thank you so much.
Thank you. I have nine miles of gas left. So you can see that. All right, first things first, we gotta get some gas. I realized my mirror's bent in. I really hope they just pushed it in to fit into a parking spot and that someone didn't hit it. That was an easy flight. I did hate though that there was no Wi-Fi on that flight. Other than that, it was a good flight. Middle seat, wide open. Perfect. I definitely just forgot to go check my mirror after getting gas. I think we're good. I think they just pushed it in. All right, we're back. Houston traffic. Don't ever miss this.